Every time we get to a different destination, we always see some new creature on land or water, and yet I'm still amazed at God's amazing creations. The first month on the boat, we got to see so many birds and marine life. Come along with us for the next few minutes, and let's explore together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. There's Paul the pelican. He sits there every morning and every evening. There they are.
Good morning. I love them. They're like little puppies. And I also compare sharks to puppies, but they're just different breeds of puppies.
Yeah.
So they're sweet and they're mysterious. They're like unicorns of the ocean. And I love the maternal instinct of the moms taking care of their pups. So they're just really cool. And
Florida manatees, also known as West Indian manatees, or as many know them as sea cows, used to be very close to extinction in 1970, as there were only several hundred left. In 1991, there were only 1,200 known left. But with the help of the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission and many others, the population has now grown to over 6,300, deeming it a conservation success. Still to this day, the FWC has strict rules when coming in contact with them. They can and will approach you due to their curiosity. However, you are not supposed to seek them out. This is so they will remain as much as in the wild as possible. Boating is actually a big threat to them. So when you're out boating, be sure to ride slow through the manatee zones. Oh, and I know this video is mostly about manatees, but hey, let's not forget this dolphin right here. I caught this footage of him playing amongst the mangroves in front of the marina. Since we've been sailing, dolphins have come right up to the bow or stern and swim alongside us.
I am so very thankful that we are able to make these memories together as a family. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to give us a like and a comment if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.